Hello children, welcome to Science. In heat lesson, last week we studied what is heat, sources of heat energy and temperature. Today you are going to learn transfer of heat, effect of heat, transfer of heat or flow of heat energy. Heat energy flows from a body at high temperature to a body at low temperature. For example, when hot water is kept on the table, it gets cooled slowly as heat energy is transferred from the water to the surrounding air. Same way, when we touch hot cup of tea, the heat energy transfers from the teacup to our hand. In this incident, the amount of heat energy is higher in teacup, lower in hand. So it is transferred from teacup to my finger. How it is transferred and who transferred it? It's very simple. They are molecules and atoms. We know every substance is made up of molecules and atoms. They are always in motion. It doesn't mean they are moving and running. When we say a molecule is always in motion, it can be vibratory motion also. When energy is added to a body, its atoms and molecules move faster, increasing the kinetic energy and vibrational energy for heat. For example, take your silver spoon. This spoon is made up of atoms. These atoms are having some vibration. When you heat one end of your silver spoon, the vibration of the atoms will be increased. This vibration will be transferred from one atom to another atom. When they give this vibration from one to another continuously, slowly the vibration reaches to the atoms present in next end of your silver spoon. After few seconds, you will feel the heat where you are holding the spoon. Next, let us study the effect of heat, that is a change in dimension and thermal expansion. Children, have you noticed telephone lines and electric lines? They are almost stiff and straight during winter while they are sage during summer. Have you observed railway tracks? They are made up of steel. There are a number of smaller lengths joining using bolts with a small gap between them. During summer, this gap decreases. If the gap is not there, the steel tracks get twisted on expansion. This expansion is called thermal expansion. Why do they expand? On heating, the particles inside a body gain energy and tend to move apart and thus occupy more space, and as a result, volume increases. Thermal expansion is less in solids, more in liquids, and very high in gases. What is happening in thermal expansion? Matters are made up of atoms. Atoms are arranged very closely due to the force of attraction. When a matter gets heat energy, the force of attraction between two atoms will be disturbed. They keep distance. That's why the matter is expanded. Next, change of matter due to heat energy. Heat plays an important role in change of the state of the matter. When water is heated, we give more energy to water. Heat energy reduces the force of attraction between molecules of the water. Due to this weak force of attraction, molecules they move away from one another and they try to escape. When water molecule escape from vessel, it is changed into water vapor. The state of water is liquid in room temperature. When we boil, that will be changed into gaseous state. Next, when we keep some amount of water in freezer, the water will be changed into solid. In this case, we simply reduce the heat energy present in water. Due to this, the state of that water is changed. What happened in this case? When temperature is reduced, the force of attraction between two molecules or atom will be increased. When force of attraction is increased, the atoms or the molecules they come closer. When they come closer, they become stronger. That's why water becomes strong when we freeze it. Children, the state of matter is depends upon the amount of heat energy present in that matter. When we boil the water, we increase the heat energy, and when we freeze the water, we decrease the heat energy present in that matter. When we increase the heat energy in a matter, the force of attraction between atoms will be lesser. When we decrease the heat, the force of attraction will be greater. Due to lesser force of attraction, water get evaporated. Due to higher force of attraction, water become solid. That is, water become ice cubes. Next, thermal imaging. Thermal imaging is a technique of using the heat given out by an object to produce an image of it or to locate it. It helps locate animal movement without distracting their nightlife. It can help doctors study heat distribution in different parts of our body. Thermal images of various places on Earth by the satellite help in determining the weather of a place. Thank you, children. See you in next class.